Time magazine called him the unsung hero behind the internet. CNN called him a father of the internet. President Bill Clinton called him one of the great minds of the information age. He has been voted history's greatest scientist of African descent. He is Philip Emeagwali. He's coming to Trinidad and Tobago to launch the 2008 Kwame Ture lecture series on Sunday, June 8th at the JFK Auditorium, New St. Augustine, 5 p.m. The Emancipation Support Committee invites you to come and hear this inspirational mind address the theme, crossing new frontiers to conquer today's challenges. This lecture is one you cannot afford to miss. Admission is free, so be there on Sunday, June 8th, 5 p.m. at the JFK Auditorium, New St. Augustine.
My quest for the parallel processing supercomputer began on a sequential processing supercomputer in Corvallis, Oregon, United States. In my first year of programming sequential processing supercomputers, I accessed those supercomputers via a Teletype Model 33 ASR. The acronym ASR stands for Automatic Send Receive. On June 20, 1974, the Teletype Model 33 ASR that I was using could be in my one-room studio apartment at 195A Knox Street South, Monmouth, Oregon, United States. But the Teletype Model 33 ASR was inside a computer laboratory. That computer laboratory was at 345 Monmouth Avenue North in Monmouth, Oregon, United States. That computer laboratory was 22 miles away from the two supercomputers, both in the computer center in Corvallis, Oregon, United States, that I was remotely programming. The Teletype Model 33 ASR automatically sent and received my supercomputer codes and data. My electronic messages were sent and received via telephone line. I used that telephone line to electronically speak with a programmed data processor that was called the PDP-8 mini computer. 9 months later, in late March 1975, I relocated from Monmouth, Oregon to Corvallis, Oregon, and I continued programming the supercomputer from 200 feet away and from a Teletype Model 33 ASR that was in Kidder Hall at 2000 Southwest Campus Way, Corvallis, Oregon, United States. My experimental discovery of the massively parallel processing supercomputer revealed itself within a new internet that is a parallel processing machine that resided in Los Alamos, New Mexico, United States. That parallel processing machine is the Iroko tree of my world of supercomputing. That parallel processing machine that I experimentally discovered to be a new internet that was powered by a new global network of 65,536 processors that were already available in the market was the precursor to the fastest modern supercomputer of today that is powered by a network of 10,649,600 processors that were already available in the market anyway. That parallel processing machine that I experimentally discovered is the precursor to the modern computer of today that is powered by about 100 processors that were already available in the market anyway. That parallel processing machine was the precursor to the high-performance supercomputer of today and the precursor to the modern computer of today. To invent is to create something out of nothing. For 16 years, onward of June 20, 1974, I, Philip Emeagwali, was the lone wolf supercomputer programmer that was perched on the top of that Iroko tree of the forest of fastest supercomputers that are powered by billions upon billions of processors that were already available in the market anyway.
Insightful and brilliant lecture.